Okay, here's another quick one today. This is the XF130CN CW narrow filter, which is going in a FTDX-10. What you need to do is remove the lower case, and you'll take the filter like so. You'll see that at one end you've actually got 4 pins, and at the other end you've got 3. And you quite simply just rotate the filter around until that just lines up with the pins. It can be a little fiddly, just take your time. Okay, so once it just starts to locate, you just gently push that down, and that is your CW filter fitted. A little note to make about the screws on these. You'll notice, I don't know if you can see, if I can get this just at the end there, at some point you might be able to see there is a little dimple in that screw head. You can just see it there. There's a little dimple, and that kind of denotes that it's a JIS screw, and you need the appropriate screwdriver. That's really important. They're not the same as most other screwdrivers, and you will damage them if you don't use the right one. And you'll notice that it's really tight on that. Now, this is a screwdriver from Vessel. This is the 220W, and it's a Japanese made screwdriver, which is removable, and it comes with a few different ends. So you've got basically JIS1, and I think that is JIS2 on the other end. And I use these all the time for these radios. A lot of people you'll see use electric screwdrivers. I don't like using that on the newer radios, mainly because one mistake, and it's really quite an expensive mistake to make, so if you scratch it. So anyway, good luck, and many thanks for watching.